Hi friends, I know you've seen how it works in the first video and you're eager to know more about how you can deploy it in your environment. If that's your goal, this is the right video for you because in the first part of this video, we'll be looking at how each piece is connected. And mind you, if you see me for the first time, my name is Abel and I'm passionate about helping you understand your environment, helping you know more about the hidden tools in your environment that can help you stay productive. Feel free to like and subscribe to this video because it will help me produce more content like this. And if you have done that, let's dive in. First, we'll be looking at the workflow. Looking at the workflow, it's literally simple. It begins with the employee requesting for a device. So all he needs to do is to go to an IT admin and then request for a device. So the IT admin is going to send him the device requisition form. So he's going to fill it in. So once it fill in the information of the laptop that will be assigned to him, the whole process begins. So the Power Automate take it up from there, send an approval to the IT admins, which are in copy of those emails. Once they approve that, it triggers again to update his or her name to that device in our asset inventory. But what if they reject? It's still going to send them an email telling him or her that, oh, this was rejected, reapply for that. So one of the reasons why it might be rejected would be, okay, fine, you have a device with a specific asset tag and you impute a wrong asset tag. The IT admin is going to reject it, right? So if that happened, it's going to notify you also and tell you, oh, refill that form with the correct asset tag. So basically, that's how simple this workflow is. And if we proceed, for us to achieve this workflow, we need two different lists. One will be the asset inventory, and the other one will be the asset assignment request. So the first one is basically what you have in your environment. I know you might have a CSV file or an Excel worksheet that comprises of all of the devices that you have in your environment. So that's the asset inventory. So we are just going to move it from your environment to the cloud. That's simple, right? And the second list will be the temporary list. So this list is going to serve as a platform where we can raise approval. So once, for instance, the employee fill out the requisition form, so we don't want to modify our inventory yet. We want to be sure that, oh, what this person is requesting for is the right tools that the person needs, right? So once we have confirmed those information, that's when we can now approve it and then move it from that temporary list to the asset inventory list. Basically, that's how every piece is connected. So what I want you to do is, if you don't have a team site, you can deploy a private team site for you and your team, which we will use in the next video. So you can go ahead to deploy a team site. And of course, if you are conversant with the use of Microsoft list, you can just go ahead to create the first and the second list. But in the next video, we are going to create that. But I'll like it if you already have, if you can go ahead to give that a try. Thank you. See you in the next one.